In the beginning, let us speak of Nokia Edge Compact Budget Beast first. Specifically, new Nokia Edge Compact specs consist of a 5.0 inches AMOLED Full HD screen. Besides that, Nokia Edge Compact phone takes power from Snapdragon 821 chipset and Octa-core 4x2.45 GHz CPU. Additionally, Nokia Edge Compact memory brings in 3GB RAM with 64GB ROM or 4GB RAM with 128GB ROM, no external storage. For Nokia Edge Compact camera, it has 16MP primary and 16MP secondary. Furthermore, Nokia Edge Compact battery cell sports a non-removable Li-ion 3,000 mAh. Secondly, let us discuss Nokia Edge Beast. Mainly, Nokia Edge specs contain a 5.7 inches Super AMOLED 4K display. Moreover, Nokia Edge flagship runs on Snapdragon 835 along with Octa-core 4x2.45 GHz. Also, Nokia Edge Mobile has 6GB RAM with 128GB ROM or 8GB RAM with 256GB ROM, no expandable. Furthermore, Nokia Edge camera packs a 42MP Carl Zeiss shooter with a 12MP snapper. For Nokia Edge battery life, it draws a non-removable Li-ion 3,200 mAh. Finally, let us talk about Nokia Edge Max Monster. Notably, Nokia Edge Max specs come with a 6.0 inches Super AMOLED Ultra HD touchscreen. Furthermore, Nokia Edge Max flagship receives power from Snapdragon 845 chipset and Octa-core 2.5 GHz CPU. For the memory, Nokia Edge Max smartphone provides 8GB RAM with 256GB or 512GB ROM, no extendable. Moreover, Nokia Edge Max camera has dual 24MP on the back and 24MP on the board. Besides, Nokia Edge Max Juice Pack bears a non-removable Li-ion 6000 mAh. Nokia Edge Series review, price and launch date. Although Nokia has not officially revealed Nokia Edge Series price yet, we can give you some hints. For Nokia Edge Compact price, it starts from Rs. 21,887 or $339.99. Besides, Nokia Edge price sells for Rs. 19,990 or $310. Also, Nokia Edge Max price is Rs. 45,999 or $722.29.